Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how to very easily and quickly deploy a Nuxt.js application using Bolt.new. So I created a brand new Bolt project right here. If you want to create your own Bolt project, all you have to do is go to Bolt.new. It'll automatically create a brand new project for you. You are going to need a StackBlitz account in order to do this, so just make sure that you have a StackBlitz account in order to actually follow along. And then what we want to do is come down to where it says Nuxt.js. This is going to build us a boilerplate template Nuxt.js application. It's going to install the dependencies as well as start the application right within the browser, so we can go ahead and actually preview it. So now that we can see, we have the basic template right here, and what we want to do is go to the top right where it says deploy. This is going to deploy the application. It's going to update our package.json, install all the necessary dependencies, as well as build the application and deploy it to Netlify. So now we can see that we have a live URL site. If we go ahead and tap on that, we can see our project that we just made is now live. And what we want to do now is go ahead and claim that URL. So this is going to add this project to our Netlify account. You are going to need a Netlify account in order to actually do this, so you need to make sure that you have an account set up and it's ready to go. But once you have an account, you can go ahead and add that project to your Netlify dashboard. We can see it listed right here. Go ahead and click on that. If we click on the link, it's going to open up that project. And now you can see that we can add a custom domain as well as adjust the site configuration to our liking. So that is how you can quickly deploy a Nuxt.js app with Bolt.new. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.